Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the mysteries of energy healing, spiritual growth, and, sometimes, wonder why our cat looks so judgy when we meditate. Yep, that one. Today we're going on a magical journey through the world of Reiki. But before you ask, no, Reiki isn't some kind of energy-powered laser beam from a sci-fi movie, although that would be cool, right? Instead, Reiki is all about channeling universal energy for healing and inner peace. Think of it like charging your phone, but instead, you are the phone. And hey, at least no one's stealing your charger in this situation. Am I right? In today's video, we're going to dive into the 5 Reiki Principles, or as I like to call them, the chill out before you implode life rules. They're like those little post-it notes you stick on your fridge to remind yourself to breathe and relax, but way more zen and, well, less sticky. Ready? Let's jump right into it and explore the wonders of Reiki together. Alright, principle number 1. Just for today, I do not worry. Yes, friends, it's time to stop worrying about that huge to-do list you haven't tackled, your ex's cryptic Instagram post, or whether your cat secretly resents you for using their meditation cushion. This principle is about letting go of anxiety and stress because honestly, who has the time for wrinkles and gray hairs? I know, it sounds easier said than done, but here's a life hack for you. Schedule a worry hour. No, seriously. Set aside 10 minutes a day where you let yourself worry about everything. Once that timer's up, poof, worry's over, no more stress until tomorrow's worry hour. Trust me, this works. And hey, it'll stop you from doom scrolling before bed. Next, we've got principle number 2. Just for today, I do not anger. Now this one can be tough. I mean, have you ever been late for yoga and stuck in traffic, surrounded by people who seem to have forgotten how to drive? It's like a test of your patience. It feels like the universe is throwing you a cosmic test, challenging your inner peace. But here's the thing. Anger isn't serving you. It's not helping you in any way. It's just creating energetic blockages, and maybe even giving you heartburn. It's not worth it. Plus, if you hold on to that rage, you'll end up looking like an angry tomato, and nobody wants that. It's not a good look. Here's a quick fix for when the heat starts rising. Do a body scan. It's simple and effective. Check if your jaw is clenched, shoulders are tense, or if you're suddenly gripping the steering wheel like it's your nemesis. These are signs of stress. Then breathe, relax, and here's a fun trick. Imagine the person who made you angry dressed in a ridiculous costume like a giant penguin suit. It's hard to stay mad. Suddenly, that anger feels a little less intense, doesn't it? It's a simple way to lighten your mood. Principle number 3. Just for today, I am grateful. This one is a game changer, people. Gratitude is like the cheat code to happiness. It's free, it's simple, and it works. Every day, take a moment to reflect on something good, even if it's as small as enjoying a delicious cup of coffee or seeing a funny cat video during your lunch break. Don't forget to share your gratitude with others too. Tell someone you appreciate them, send a nice text, or leave a comment on a friend's post. I guarantee it'll brighten their day. And honestly, who doesn't love a little positivity thrown their way? Now we're on to the 4th principle. Just for today, I work diligently. Now before you think I'm telling you to go full workaholic mode, nope, that's not what this is about. This is about integrity, about showing up and doing your best, even if that best looks a little different every day. And if your best effort today involves scrolling through Instagram for hours, well, maybe try to cut that down a little. We've all been there, but let's make sure our daily best actually includes a little bit of focus. Lastly, we come to principle number 5. Just for today, I am kind to myself and others. This one might sound the easiest, but it can actually be the hardest. Let's face it, self-kindness is something we all need more of. You wouldn't talk to your best friend the way you sometimes talk to yourself, right? So take a deep breath and be gentle with yourself. You deserve kindness. And of course, kindness to others is just as important. Smile at strangers, hold the door open, or even send a "hey, hope you're doing okay" text to a friend. These little acts of kindness are like sending out Reiki vibes into the world. And trust me, the ripple effects are huge. So there you have it, the 5 Reiki Principles. They're basically the universe's way of gently reminding us to chill out, be kind, and trust that everything is working out for our highest good. Live by these principles, and you'll find yourself feeling more peaceful, grounded, and full of good vibes, radiating positivity. But before we wrap this up, let's talk about something crucial: setting intentions. Whether you're practicing Reiki or just navigating through life, setting an intention is like programming your GPS. It gives you direction, focus, and purpose, guiding you towards your goals. But remember, don't get too attached to the outcome. Sometimes the universe has an even funnier or better plan than you could have imagined, so stay open. Now go forth and spread those positive vibes, my friends. And if all else fails, remember, your cat is probably not judging you. Probably. Just keep smiling. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or at least mildly amusing, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more positive content, and share your favorite Reiki principle in the comments. Also, consider supporting us on Patreon to help us create more great content. Until next time, may your energy flow smoothly, your worries be light, and your cat less judgy. See you in the next video.